We do want to get back to the latest on the severe weather that hit parts of Ohio last night. A path of destruction left in the wake of at least one that touched down near Dayton in Logan County. There's not much left of a trailer park there, and we know at least 3 people were killed. The governor even stopping in the area not too long ago to take a look at the damage.
I'm always amazed at the resilience of the people of the state of Ohio. I had the chance to talk to some people who have lost their house or lost part of their house or who had been in some way impacted. And to see their spirit and their resilience and their toughness, how strong they are, it's just absolutely amazing.
National Weather Service teams did confirm the tornado that hit this area was an EF2, although a final assessment of the storm isn't expected for a few more days.